All right, you're going to want to stop what you're doing and check this out. Some scary moments for a group of skiers in Colorado over the weekend. They were caught up in this avalanche.
It happened at Rocky Mountain National Park. The group was skiing and split boarding, which triggered the slide. One person dislocated his shoulder and was briefly buried before making his way to the surface. The other two people in the video weren't hurt. Amazingly, everyone made it out safely. I didn't even know what split boarding was, but apparently they have snowboards now that split, so you can use them as skis to walk somewhere where you don't require a chairlift.
So you can't start skiing and then split it halfway down and become a snowboarder.
Probably could, but it probably ends up really poorly.
That might hurt.
Sounds like another problem.
Yeah.
So what do you do? Do you just ride the avalanche? Like, I am not a big skier, so.
Well,
I'm not sure.
I ski. I've never been caught in one. And I don't want to get caught in one.
That looks scary.
I think it becomes so heavy on you so fast.
Yeah, I
it
think
just overtakes you.
It overtakes you.
Yeah. Snow looks
So they were
pretty.
lucky.
Yeah, very lucky.